Michelle here from Straw-Bearie Designs, and today I'm participating in a collab called My Current Faves, sponsored by Mary from Resourceful Mama. So I will have links to the playlist in the description and in the iCards and to Resourceful Mama. So my faves are all going to be all about craft supplies. So first, about general craft supplies. So first I have these Ohuhu markers. They are filled with paint. They are so cool and so much fun. They're like a regular felt tip type of pen, and you draw on it with them and paint comes out. They are really, really fun. Really, really cool. My next fave would have to be just Dollar Tree products in general. We don't have a craft store where I live, and so the closest we have is Dollar Tree. So for things like deco mesh and diamond wrap, and even their storage containers and stuff for craft supplies, their flowers, their yard decorations. So next we're moving into some of the more paper crafting, and especially my Bible journaling. So with Bible journaling, I love the Faber-Castell Pitt markers in black and in colors. They do not bleed through the thin little pages of your Bible. And lately I've been using the Faber-Castell gelatos in my Bible journaling. And let me show you. So here's a page that I did just the other day, and the yellows is from the gelatos, and it doesn't wrinkle your paper if you don't use water with it, and I just smushed them with my fingers. And then the red writing is with the Pitt markers, and as you can see, it doesn't bleed through the really thin pages. Next, as we get into more of my paper crafts, this isn't anything new, but I love stamps that have matching dies. I think it's so much fun to be able to cut them out, and I may have to buy a scan and cut at some point, or ask for one for my birthday so that I don't have to keep buying the dies. But I store my dies in the same package with the stamp, even if they don't come that way, and I just use a magnetic sheet to hold the dies on so that I have them all together. Next, I'm going to say is my watercolor pencils. These I can use in my Bible journaling. I can use them to color in my stamps and then just wet them with a water brush, and it's really not that hard, and I think it makes me look a lot more talented than I really am. So that being said, with my card making and all, I love my ATG gun. It lasts so long, you don't have to refill it very often, and that just makes it so fun and handy. I have this little pair of scissors from Fiskars, and they are Teflon coated, and so when I cut tape and sticky things, it doesn't stick to the scissors. So these are an awesome must-have. So that being said, foam tape, I just love it. I get big rolls from Amazon, and all the products that I have that I can find on Amazon, I'm going to try to link in the description below so that you can share in some of those faves too. I'm kind of late on the bandwagon, but I have recently purchased finally some Distress Oxide inks, and they are so much fun and so wonderful, and I can't wait to use them some more. As far as like card styles go, I just love shaker cards. I think they are so much fun, and I don't see me having these not my current faves for quite a while. And another thing that I'm really liking are the one-sheet wonders, where you take one sheet of paper and you cut it out and you make different cards from the cutouts, and so you're able to make a bunch of cards at once. I think that's really cool. I also really love 6x6 paper, especially in nice, bright, fun colors. I find that the 6x6 pads are perfect for card making. The imprint of the designs is smaller than you would find on, say, a 12x12 pad of paper. So if you're looking for some kind of pattern or some kind of design, it's going to be smaller here on your 6x6 paper so that it fits on your cards instead of being a giant type of design that you might have on a 12x12 set of paper. Another thing that I like is I recently got a glass mat, and I use this to craft on. Previously, I've had a silicone mat, and I accidentally cut it one time because that's just for cleaning off easily. And I've had some of the regular cutting mats, and I've gotten paint on them because they don't clean off as well. So this glass mat seems to be almost perfect. I can cut on it and I can paint on it and keep it clean. So glass mat has been a lot of fun. I think that's it for now. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new to my channel, please hit that red subscribe button and show me the love by giving me a sub. Like this video and tell me what some of your current favorite crafting supplies are if you're a crafter. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to check out the other current faves, that playlist in the description below. Until next time, have a great day, crafting away.